I'm George Westhoff Jr. I'm president of Midland Manufacturing Company. Midland is a 130-year-old brass and bronze foundry and machine shop. We make brass and bronze cast parts for a variety of industries, including pump companies, some electrical areas. We also have 3 lines of products that we make. We have a water well pump that pumps water below a windmill. We also have some municipal water work items that go into waterworks like water meter flanges. And we also make architectural plaques that go on buildings as well as memorial markers. Compressed air is important to us. We have many pieces of equipment that rely on air pressure. If air pressure goes down or starts getting too low, we have certain equipment that will start to shut down. Shop rates in our shop can go as high as $600 an hour. So if we have downtime because of lost air compression, it could be very costly to us. Having a reliable compressor system like Sullair gives us a peace of mind of having a good continuous flow of air coming through to run our equipment. I have no complaints, no problems, no regrets of buying a Sullair. I would recommend Sullair to anybody who wanted my opinion.